Wolves, these intelligent and powerful hunters, have held a special place in various cultures and legends for centuries. Wolves have played diverse and sometimes contradictory roles in the legends and mythologies of different peoples. In many cultures, wolves have been depicted as a symbol of darkness, savagery, death, and demonic forces. But in many others, they were a symbol of strength and endurance. In some mythologies, wolves appear as guides and protectors of humans and are even known as the ancestors of some tribes. From ancient legends to modern movies, wolves have always been symbols of fear and power. But beyond these perceptions, wolves are amazing creatures with unique abilities that have made them one of nature's most successful hunters. The unique behaviors and abilities of wolves are so strange and amazing that they amaze everyone, from living in extreme conditions to social behaviors similar to humans. They can detect smells from 15 kilometers away and hear sounds up to 80 kHz. These abilities help them track their prey from long distances. Wolves are known by the scientific name Canis lupus. They are part of the canine family. They have 38 different subspecies, each of which has evolved for specific conditions. The most successful species is the gray wolf, which can handle any situation. And it has the ability to live in almost any climate and can adapt to that environment. But what do you think are the reasons why wolves became great predators? Wolves have one of the best body structures of all animals. Their double-layered coat protects them from extreme cold. Their powerful legs allow them to travel long distances. There is space between their toes that allows them to distribute their weight and not sink into the snow. Wolves have adapted to the environment they live in to easily camouflage themselves. According to studies and research, their strong fangs are capable of breaking any bone with a pressure of 30 to 105 kilograms per square centimeter. To better understand this, you should know that this pressure is twice the pressure of a dog and 3 times that of a human. By howling, wolves show that they are social animals and use howling to communicate with pack members and signal to other packs. Each wolf has a unique howl that is recognized by pack members. In addition to howling, they also use body language and facial expressions to convey messages. Wolves focus on endurance rather than speed. They can run at a steady 5 miles per hour for hours. And they can travel up to 80 kilometers in a day. Their hunting strategy is based on cooperation and organization. Each wolf in the pack has a specific role, and they surround and hunt prey in complete coordination. Wolves are social animals with a strict hierarchical structure. At the head of the group is the alpha pair, which is responsible for leadership and mating. Other members of the group participate in caring for the cubs and hunting. This cooperation ensures the survival of the group and strengthens social bonds. Relationship with humans. Wolves generally try to avoid humans, and their attacks on humans are very rare. Like dogs, rats can become attached to humans and form emotional bonds with them. Fear of wolves is mostly based on myths and folktales. However, it is essential to keep your distance from wolves in the wild, as their behavior can be unpredictable in different situations. Wolves play a very key role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. Ecology is the study of the relationships between living things. By controlling herbivore populations, they prevent overgrazing and environmental degradation. The presence or absence of wolves has a direct impact on biodiversity and ecosystem health. Wolves are social and monogamous animals. They usually mate for life and form very strong bonds with each other. This bond not only helps with reproduction, but also plays an important role in hunting, raising cubs, and defending territory. Wolves usually mate in the winter or early spring. During this period, wolves display certain behaviors that indicate their readiness to mate. These behaviors include prolonged barking, marking territory, biting, and chasing each other. After mating, the female is pregnant for about 63 days and usually gives birth to between 4 and 6 pups. Wolves originated in Eurasia and gradually migrated to North America over time. They have adapted to environmental changes and evolved their physical and behavioral characteristics to survive in different conditions. And also research and fossil studies show that wolves once lived alongside large mammals such as mammoths. And they have been able to adapt to seasonal changes and environmental conditions. Some subspecies, such as the Himalayan wolf, have unique abilities, such as regulating their metabolism to survive when food is very scarce. And this ability allows them to survive in very cold weather and at high altitudes where oxygen is low. Conservation efforts. Efforts to protect the environment have experienced many successes and failures. Conservation efforts, such as the introduction of wolves to Yellowstone National Park in 1995, have been successful examples of restoring balance to the ecosystem. Wolves are not only powerful hunters, but also engineers of nature, playing a vital role in maintaining the balance of the environment. The absence of wolves has a huge impact on the environment. For example, in areas where wolves are declining, the abundance of deer has led to overgrazing. And this has affected the populations of other plants and organisms. Understanding these amazing creatures better helps us protect them and their habitat. Thank you for sticking with us until this video with the Wildlife Channel. Tell us in the comments which animal we should make a video about. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the latest content.